What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Kicking It with Astro, where we talk about fashion, sneakers, and everything in between. Coming soon. Um, Michael, I'm tired as fuck, but y'all know the drill. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I had a long day at work, and I had a long journey of shopping after work, so I'm like, I'm ready to go to sleep, y'all. But we here, cause I didn't want to just go to sleep knowing that I could have unboxed these and then showed y'all. So yeah, man. So with today's unboxing, I got myself a pair of Jordans. Now, I was not a big fan of these particular Jordans. I'm just gonna flat out say it. I honestly did not like twos. Jordan twos all my life were the ugliest Jordans I've ever seen in my life. Like Jordan 2s, ugh, like disgusting. And then I got older. And then I seen the Chicago 2s. The ones that came out recently, but also the older ones. And I'm like, and then I started seeing the way people styled like Jordan 2s. And I'm like, these are not a bad shoe. And then I looked at the silhouette of the shoe, like no matter the colorway. It's a fucking beautiful show. Like, yo, if I could just talk to my younger self and tell my younger self stop being a dickhead because you're just bugging out. These shoes are really fire. Get on them now. I would, but I'm not Kang. I can't control time nor go back into time. But bought myself a pair of Jordan 2s. We here, y'all. Now we here. Another pair of Jordans added to the collection. It's a different number now. So it's the box. Obviously, this is the box. It has this. It's like wings on both sides, and it fucking says Air Jordan on it. Obviously, who other shoe would it be? But the colorway I'm not too particular about. This is gonna be a very honest video. The colorway I'm not too fond. I'm not too fond of. It looks good, but couldn't they just add a little bit more color? Just a tad. Because like, come on. And all white shoes and living in New York City they don't mesh. Cause I know someone's gonna step on my sneakers. I'm not even gonna say, oh, if someone steps on my, I live in fucking New York City. Somebody's bound to step on my shits. But without further ado, open the box. We pull back the paper. We put the right hand in, and we pull out the fucking shoe. Like, I love the silhouette of the shoe, the way the shoe looks all around. It's just, why is there just so much white and very little green? Why? The shoe itself is very pretty. Why is there so much white and very... Like, they could have put more green somewhere. Or just fucking make the shoe green and, like, a little bit of white. With the same, like, little off-white aging type of thing that they're doing to Jordans nowadays. But could make the shoe green and a little bit of white. Me personally, not the best colorway they could have thought of, but I'm not gonna lie. It's just the silhouette of the shoe though is really a pretty shoe. It's a simple, like it's simple but very. You could do a lot with this shoe. You could wear this shoe in a lot of different type of weather. You could wear it in the summer. You could wear it with pants. You could wear it with shorts. I just needed more color. Like, even if they added like another hint of green, like in this area, I would have been cool with that. I'm tired of YouTube giving me advertisements. As per my last video, I'm tired of YouTube giving me advertisements of movies and shit that I do not care about. Anyways, yeah. And that's another, remember how I tell you I love laces? Gave me one pair of white laces. Like, what the fuck am I gonna, I'm thankful for the shoe. I'm not gonna lie to you, the shoe is sexy. Just the colorway could have been different. And I'm not gonna lie, different laces, ladies and gentlemen, please, because like this different, even like a little bit of like a off-white type of color for the laces, like have them look aged and everything. I would have been fine with that. But I picked these up for the main reason because I wanted a pair of 2s, and they didn't have Chicago 2s, and I was like, yo, I'm making a video about Jordan 2s, and that's basically the history, because I don't know that much about the history because I did not like the shoe. But I at least add it to my collection and be like, okay, I have a pair. Let me start looking at the history of Jordan 2s and maybe buy another pair. You know, who knows? Who knows? But this is just one video out of 2 because I doubled up today. And that video will be coming tomorrow. And that video I'm a little more excited about because the shoe that I bought is, to me, it is crazy. It's a crazy shoe. It's a crazy shoe. It has pockets. Like, it has fucking That's all I have to say. It has pockets. That's all I have to say. All I have to say. Let y'all brain think about that. Think about what shoe that I will go nuts for, and it's a pocket shoe. Like, it has... Y'all understand. This summer, I'm about to fuck shit up with the looks, the aesthetics, everything. I could buy a simple ass shoe and I'm gonna fuck shit up. Just wait, cause it was already written in stone and now it's up. Like, now it's up, y'all. The more I look at the shoe, I actually like it. I don't like that I'm like that, but the more I look at the shoe, I'm like, it's not a bad shoe. Even looking at it like in the camera, as I can see, the shoe is not a bad looking shoe. Like, it's the silhouette is sexy. I just wish the shoe had a different colorway or more laces, something make, you know, showing why it's green. Like, I never wondered why they make green Jordans when the Chicago Bulls did not like the Celtics. Like, Jordan did not like Larry Bird. Like, they were cool, but like on the court, these niggas beefed with each other. Why did he make, like, I don't know, man. I like the shoe. I'm still like just fucked up about the colorway. I'm gonna wear these tomorrow as my perdition. As my tradition, I'm going to wear these. Obviously, you know, I buy a pair of sneakers, I put them on the next day. One thing that bothered me about these though, also, these came unlaced. Like, I had to lace these manually. Like, that kind of blew mine. I just like to pull the sneaker out and be like, okay, factory lacing this how they look, this how they blah, 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 blah. I don't know. I never noticed that they had like the fucking size on the shoe. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't think, oh yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I'm a size 10. You know how hard it is to get sneakers in that size, y'all? Fucking annoying. Cause every goddamn wear, they sell out of my size. Trust me, I'm not gonna lie, these are not the original pair of sneakers I was gonna get for this video, but I did say on my, in my notes, I was gonna make a video about Jordan 2s. This is gonna be Chicago's, but we gonna make this work. I don't know who I am, like, green and purple. Hold on, call me Green Goblin. Shit. We gonna make this work. But yeah, that was an honest review. Because I'm not gonna say, oh, I really love the shoe. Oh my God. No, I'm gonna be real honest with y'all all the time and in every video. So I'm gonna start rating my shoes as I unbox them. I'm gonna start doing that. So would I rate this pickup? A solid 8. 8 out of 10. I rate this an 8 out of 10. That's a little high, I ain't gonna lie to you, but I rate this 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. That's my final rate. But y'all know it's been a pleasure just this whole YouTube journey, just doing what I'm doing, learning so many things, taking breaks, making money, coming back, talking to y'all. It's nice. So like I really appreciate everyone just sticking with me on this journey, looking at the videos, and tomorrow's video, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah. As I look at them, they got motherfucking pockets. That's all I'ma say. Y'all know who I'm a fan of. Y'all know who I talk about the most. Even got the goddamn shirt on. Y'all even got the shirt on, but they got pockets. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go get some food. I'm starving. I gotta work tomorrow. I gotta work on this project. Well, collection. Well, I still call it a project. I gotta work on this collection. So I'm probably gonna be up a little late, but sleep is very important if you want to be successful. So I'm gonna try to make sure I get mines. Tired, y'all. But it's the life I asked for as a fashion stylist / YouTuber, but work don't stop. I really appreciate y'all. Astro Cuddy out.